Hi, my name is Keir Dowswell, and this is my video assignment 2 for Coursera Introduction to Music Production. I've chosen to focus on adding a software instrument to my DAW of choice, which is called GarageBand. Once I've added a software instrument, I will be using my USB MIDI controller, which is an M-Audio Axiom 49, to record the MIDI that I'm going to input into it, and after that I will be quantizing what I've recorded. So let's get started. This is my DAW GarageBand. I've created a new project called Synth Test. First thing I'd like to do is to add a track. Go track, new track, and I'm going to be adding a software instrument today because I'm not recording my voice, which would be a real instrument, or using a audio interface to record an electric guitar or something like that. So I want to choose software instrument. I'll click create. In GarageBand, the green tracks are software instruments, blue are real instruments. Okay, there we go. So the default is the grand piano. For this particular demonstration, I'd like to add some drums first. So if this window here doesn't pop up, which is the track information window, you just need to click on this I for information over here, and that should pop out. And if you click on the Browse tab, then you have a selection of different software instruments to choose from. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick this drum and bass kit here. Alright, and I'll just double click on that. Down here I have my transport controls. Okay, my record, back to the beginning, rewind, fast forward, play, and this is the cycle button. You'll notice that the cycle is on when the cycle icon is turned blue, and also up here you have this yellow bar which you can extend if you like. I've prepared the track, I've added the instrument. I'm just going to make sure that we have a metronome and count in. Right, metronome is what is also known as the click, helps you keep in time when you're doing your performance, so I'll make sure that's on. Okay, and the count in will give me a 1 bar count in, so I'm prepared to start recording. Okay, so I've made sure those are both on. Last thing I'd like to do is just check that we're getting some levels, so I'll hit a couple of pads on my keyboard. Okay, I got a bass drum there and a bit of a snare. Alright, so we're ready to record. I'm going to click on the record button. We should get a count off, okay, to prepare us, and then I'll record a beat, and we'll have a look at some of the MIDI information and quantizing functions after that. Okay, so as you could hear from that, that wasn't the best recording. So what we may need to do is go into the editor or the piano roll to edit some of the information, the MIDI information that I've recorded. Okay, I might select all those, press backspace to delete them, and what I might do is I might just copy these. So if I select them, hold down the Alt key, I can make an exact duplicate of that and just drag it across. Okay. And then with these here, I might kind of bring that over because I was a bit offbeat there. And I might delete this. And again, I might just duplicate this, again holding the Alt key. There we go. So that's how to quickly copy and paste some of the MIDI information if you like one of the bits of performance better than the other. And the last thing I want to show you is the quantization function. So if I select all of the bits of MIDI information here, and then I go to this where it says align to, I can choose what type of quantization I'd like to use. Now for this particular instance, I'm probably going to have a listen at 16ths, okay? And this is would probably be a good time to put the cycle button on, okay? So now I've got it on, it's blue, and I can see up here it's going to keep cycling through this drum beat that I've recorded. So let's have a listen to it quantize at 16th notes. Now have a listen as I change it, and then a fourth quarter. It's much more straight now, as you can notice. There you go. There's how to prepare the track, add the software instrument, set the metronome and count off to record it efficiently, to edit some of the MIDI data manually, and then some of the quantize functions. I hope you enjoyed my video and look forward to hearing some of your feedback.